Hello children, in this video we are going to learn exercise 13.3. So, let us start. In this exercise we will learn how to convert the shape of solid into another. We can say in previous exercises we were mainly doing the work on combination of solids, and here onwards we are going to start conversion of solid. Very often we change the shape of a solid and make new one. So, our topic is related to the conversion of solid. So, let us go in exercise 13.3, question number B1. Question is, a metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter is melted. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeter. 4.2 centimeter is melted and recast into the shape of a cylinder. Recast into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeter. So, what will be find the height of the cylinder. So, what is happening here? We have a cylinder, let us see it here. We have a cylinder, its radius is given sphere. We have a sphere and this is going to be melted. We are going to melt it. Radius of sphere is given. This is 4.2 centimeter, and with that available metal in the sphere, we are going to make a cylinder. The radius of cylinder is 6 centimeter. So, what will be the height of cylinder? We have to find out. So, what is happening? What amount of metal is in this sphere? The same amount of metal we are going to use in the cylinder. That means, we are going to convert the shape of the solid. The given solid is sphere and making it in new shape, that is cylinder. Radius is mentioned here of sphere and also of cylinder. So, straight we can start the solution as per the question. We are making the cylinder. So, volume of cylinder will be equal to volume of sphere, and we know all that formulas. Volume of cylinder pi r square h and volume of sphere 4/3 pi r cube. So, little carefully when we use the radius and height of particular figure, particular solid, we will use that carefully only. That why I want to tell you. Here pi we can cancel. Then this radius, we should not think that this is same. Radius of cylinder, what is that? 6. So, 6 into 6. Height of cylinder we have to find 4/3, and this is radius of sphere. So, we will see what is the radius of sphere and write 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2, and we get here h. We need height of cylinder 4.3, let it be as it is. What is in RHS? We write it is 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2. First, what was in RHS? We wrote all that, and then we see 6 will come from numerator. In LHS it will come in denominator. Remove this decimal, we get 10. Again we remove decimal 10. All these decimal we remove, we get 10 into 10 into 10. 6 ones are 6 sevens are, 3 ones are 3 14s are. Again we can cut 6 ones are 6 sevens are. Finally, we get here 4 into 7 into 14 into 7 divided by 10 into 10 into 10. So, this 10 into 10 into 10 we will keep 1000, and we will multiply 14 sevens are 98, 4 sevens are 28. 98 into 28. 8 8s are 64, 72, 9 8s are and 4 76. 8 2s are 16, 9 2s are 18, 1 19, 4 12, 16 1 17, 1 1 2. So, we get 2724, and that is why we did not remove this 0, we did not cut them here. It is easy to divide. 2.724 centimeter will be the height of the cylinder. Hope you have understood. This is very easy. The cylinder sphere is melted and recast into the cylinder. So, what amount of metal is in this sphere, the same amount is used. With that concept, the volume of cylinder is equal to volume of sphere. We use formula and simplified, we found the height of cylinder. Let us go now in question number 2. So, we will read the question first, that is exercise 13.2, continuing only question number 2. Metallic sphere of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively are melted to form a single solid sphere. Find the radius of the resulting sphere. So, what we saw in this question, there are 3 spheres. One sphere, sphere 1 we can say, then another sphere, the radius is are 6, 8 and 10, that means they are of different size, and the third one is little bigger because radius is 10. So, these 3 spheres are melted and then new one is made. So, let us write first 3 spheres, metallic spheres of radii 6 centimeter. So, we will start with that metallic sphere. Metallic spheres of radii 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter are melted to form a single solid sphere. What will be the radius of the resulting sphere? So, these 3 we are melting, and whatever amount of metal we got, we obtain, we are making a new sphere. So, surely that 3 metals are used, the amount of metal what was in that 3, that all is used for making one single. So, this will be the biggest one. So, what we will do, what concept we can get from here? The volume of first sphere, second sphere plus volume of third sphere is equal to volume of the new sphere or the largest sphere, or whatever we give the name single solid sphere. So, volume 1 plus volume of second sphere plus volume of third sphere is equal to volume of the new sphere. Let us call 1, 2, 3 and new. 3 we are melting and new one we are making. So, concept is this only. So, let us start as per the question. How the question says we are going to work. Question is saying volume of first sphere. So, we just write volume of first sphere plus second sphere plus third sphere, and in bracket we write sphere is equal to volume of new sphere or resulting sphere, whatever we write, new sphere. So, volume of new sphere, of course, we could write it in LHS side. Usually what we want to find, we will write in left side, and what is given we will write in right side. So, no matter we write left side or right side. Now, we can start volume of new sphere. What will be the volume of new sphere? Or just continue with this volume of first sphere, 4 by 3 pi radius 1, first sphere radius 1 r cube plus 4 by 3 pi r2 cube, 4 by 3 pi r1 cube, 4 by 3 pi r2 cube and 4 by 3 pi R3 cube is equal to volume of new sphere. So, we will use here 4 by 3, sphere volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube, but just to show the different radius we are using R1, R2, R3 and then the biggest one capital R, big R. So, what we get here now? 4 by 3 pi, 4 by 3 pi we can take common. So, 4 by 3 pi is common, remaining radius 1 cube, first radius is 6. So, 6 cube plus second radius is remaining, that is 8 cube, third radius is remaining, that is 10 cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi, this radius we do not know, radius of the new sphere, that only we have to find out. Here 4 by 3 pi, that 4 by 3 pi both are into in LHS and RHS. So, same sign, same term we can cut. 6 cube we will get, I think you are knowing this, 216, 8 cube, 8 into 8 into 8, 512 and 10 cube 1000 is equal to R cube. Let us add this all, 0, 2, 6, 8, 0, 1, 1, 2, 5, 0, 5, 2, 7 and 1 is equal to R cube. R cube is equal to 1728. So, R will be equal to cube root of 1728. So, we need to get the factorization for getting cube root of 1728. 2 8s are, 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 4s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are, 2 6s are, again 2 1s are, 1 cannot divide. So, 0, then 2 8s are 16, 2 54s are, 2 27, 3 9s are and 3 3s are. So, we can see here also every 3 numbers coming here 2 2 2 2 2 2 again 3 3 3. So, R is equal to cube root of 2 into 2 into 2, again 2 into 2 into 2 and then 3 into 3 into 3. Therefore, we get finally radius of the new sphere, it is cube root. So, out of 3 same number we take 1, again 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 comes out and 3 into 3 into 3. We get 2 3s are 6 2s are 12 centimeter is the radius of the new solid solid sphere what we are getting after melting these 3 and making the new one. So, here is also concept very clear when we are converting the shape of solid into another. If that amount of metal is not wasted at all, the whole metal is used in another one. So, volume is equal, only that concept is used here and we find accordingly we need to remember the formulas. So, let us go now in question number 3. Let us see question number 3 now. Question is a 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug. A 20 meter deep well with diameter 7 meter, with diameter 7 meter is dug, and the earth from digging and the earth is here soil, the earth from digging is evenly spread out to form a platform, is evenly spread out to form a platform 22 meter by 14 meter. 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. So, we need to find here the height of platform. We will see it. What will be the height of the platform? So, here what is happening? We are digging a well. Suppose You might have come across seeing the well. The well will be underground, it is dug, this all is underground only, this whole part. So, this well is dug, it is underground. Depth of the well is, this is the depth of the well, it is 20 meter, it is underground, it is dug. Then diameter is 7 from one end to another, this is 7 meter, this is 7 meter. So, radius will be surely half of that, 7 by 2 meter. Then when the well is dug, the soil comes out, the earth comes out, and that mud is used for making a platform around it. And how is that? That platform is how? Length is 22, breadth is 14. We have to find out the mud what is taken out, the earth or mud taken out from the well is used for making platform around the well with dimension length 22, breadth 14. What will be the height of the platform? How high it will be? The platform is cuboidal because it has length, breadth and height, and the well is cylindrical. Anyway, the well is cylindrical, the mud is dug out from the well, that means whatever will be the volume of well, that much will be the volume of mud dug out from the well. So, we will start with this concept. As per the question, volume of platform will be equal to volume of earth dug out from the well, and well is cylindrical, platform is cuboidal. How did we come to know? Because length, breadth are mentioned of the platform and height is asked. So, let us start the volume of platform, since it is cuboidal, length into breadth into height, and volume of earth dug out from the well pi r square h, because well is cylindrical. Now, length and breadth of cuboidal platform 22 and 14, so 22 into 14, and height we need to find out pi 22 by 7, radius of the well we do not know. Here we have mentioned diameter is given, so radius is 7 by 2. So, we can mention radius is diameter is 7. So, radius will be 7 by 2, we have mentioned in the figure also. So, straight we can pick up from there and write 7 by 2 into 7 by 2, and height of the well, that is the depth 20. Now, we need to simplify. See, here possible to cut 7 7 we can cut, again 2 1s are 2 11s are we can cut, 2 10s are we can cut, 22 by 22 into 14 we take in RHS, remaining here 11 into 10, 7 into 10 by 22 and 14 comes in denominator, 11 1s are 11 2s are, 7 1s are 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are 2 5s are. So, height of the platform is 5 by 2 or 2.5 meter. So, it is easy solution, easy concept also. The well is dug deep, 20 meter deep, 7 meter with diameter. So, radius of the well will be 7 by 2, the height is the depth of the well, the platform is, the mud comes out from the well is evenly spread to make the platform, that is length into breadth into height, because that is cuboid we used length, breadth and height, and pi r square h for both this cuboid and cylinder. We simplified it and we got the height of platform will be 2.5. Hope you have understood it well. Now, we will go in question number 4. See now question number 4 of exercise 13.3. a well of diameter 3 meter is dug 14 meter deep. This is the condition here. A well of diameter 3 meter is dug 4 meter deep. The diameter of the well is 3 meter and 14 meter deep, not 4, it is 14 meter deep. Then the earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring. So, very important condition here mentioned. When the well is dug underground. Let us see this is ground and the well is dug. This well is dug here. Diameter is 3 meters, so radius of the well will be 3 by 2, or we can write it 1.5 also 3 by 2. Depth is the height, depth of the well is the height of the well 14 meter. So, this radius I am showing here, this diameter from one end to another, half of it, that is 1.5 meters. Now, it is dug, so this all mud comes out from the well. Mud comes out, that mud is used for making the circular ring around it. The question is once more, let us read. The earth taken out of it has been spread evenly all around it in the shape of a circular ring. So, we will mention that condition also, at least in short. The earth taken out from it, that means from the well, is spread evenly all around it in the shape of what is the shape? A circular ring, shape of a circular ring. Of width 4 meters, to form an embankment. This embankment you might have noticed around the well till ground and above portion of the well. Of course, exactly cannot be shown here, but try to understand. This is the embankment, it is made around the well. So, that shape of well also will be circular, but thing is that one circular portion will be for the well and then this will be included, this shape. So, these both will be circular. First, let us imagine well is circular top, and again 4 meter width we are evenly spreading the soil or mud and making that embankment. So, from here to this width will be 4 meters, and from center of the well to the side of the well this is 1.5 meters. So, that embankment also will be in the shape of cylinder, but condition what will be? This top of the well is empty, so that we can draw water, put bucket inside and draw water from it. I hope it is clear. So, question is asked here, if the embankment is 4 meters, this width of the embankment is 4 meter, how high it will be? What will be the height of embankment? So, anyway, the volume of mud taken out from the well will be used for making that embankment. That means, volume of mud from the cylindrical well is equal to volume of the embankment. Later we will talk in the solution, while doing the solution, how we will find out the volume of embankment, how much mud is used in that. So, let us start first. As per the question, volume of embankment will be equal to volume of earth dug out from the well. Now, we will discuss how we will find out the volume of embankment. This will be cylindrical portion. That means mud is here in between. So, volume of outer portion of the cylindrical part minus volume of inner portion, this portion. So, we can say inner volume minus outer volume, remember it. So, volume of embankment will be pi bigger radius r square h minus pi r square h is equal to volume of well or volume of earth dug out from the well, that also will be pi r square h. So, this r1 h1 we will use for this circular ring height. So, before that we need to little introduce this portion also. How we can mention here? We came to know volume of embankment will be equal to volume of earth dug out. So, outer volume minus inner volume, but thing is that where is outer radius? Height of the embankment is h1, pi r square h, that is the radius and height of well. So, we will mention here outer radius of the well. Outer radius will be, how much will be? Look at the diagram. Well radius is 1.5 and included this embankment 4 meter width. So, outer radius will be 4 plus 1.5. This outer radius we can use capital R, that will be 1.5 plus 4.0 we can write. So, outer radius will be 5.5 meters. And then what will be the height of embankment? Let the height of embankment be h1, this h1 what we have used here. Let the height of embankment and be h1. This is nothing, only the number, because everywhere h is coming, just to show the difference. This height is for embankment, that height is for well. So, we can start. Therefore, outer volume minus inner volume, both are cylindrical in shape, is equal to volume of the well. So, here we can take pi. In question, value of pi is mentioned or not, we need to see. No. So, we will go for 22/7 only. 22/7. This radius is for embankment, outer radius, that is 5.5 into 5.5. Height of embankment we have to find. So, h1 minus pi 22/7. This radius, which radius is that? Inner radius. So, 1.5 into 1.5, or just let it be r also, no problem here, because the same radius we are taking for well also, r, minus h is again there, that is h1 equal to pi. Now, we are in dimension of well, 22/7, radius of well 1.5 into 1.5, and height of the well is how much? Well is 14 meter in depth, 14 meter. So, we will take 14. From here we can take common, both this all again minus another that all. So, 22/7 is common. After that h1 we can take common, remaining 5.5 square we can write. So, let us go with the formula so that we can avoid calculation. 5.5 square minus 1.5 square is equal to 22 by 7 into 1.5 into 1.5 into 14. Now, this 22 by 7 is in multiplication, that 22 by 7 also in another side in multiplication, straight we can cut them. Remaining what? Remaining here is h1, that is the height of embankment. That is what I told you, we can avoid calculation 55 into 55 and all. How? A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, that will be 5.5 a plus b into a 5.5 minus b 1.5, and in RHS what we have, just we write 1.5 into 1.5 into 14. Now, easily we can add these two numbers, h1 into, it will be 7.0, this will be 4.0 is equal to 1.5 into 1.5 into 14, and then we can easily add them. We get here 7.0 into 5.5 minus 1.5, 4.0 is equal to 1.5, that is RHS 1.5 into 1.5. Then we take these numbers in RHS. Now, we have to find the height of embankment, that is h1 equal to 1.5 into 1.5 into 14 by 7.0, 4.0, just we take 7 and 4, remove decimal, we will get here 10, again this decimal remove, 10, cut now, 7 ones are 7 twos are, this number 2 ones are again, 2 twos are 4, 5 twos are 5 threes are 15. Now, we cannot cut. So, 15, this 15 and 10 we can cut, 5 threes are 15, 5 twos are 10. So, we get here 3 into 3 into only this 3 into 3, 9, 2 twos are 4 twos are 8, 9 divided by 8, we convert in decimal, 8 ones are 8, 1.0, 8 ones are 8, 2 0, 8 twos are 16, remaining 4 0, 8 fives are 40. So, the height of embankment will be 1.125 meters. So, this solution is also easy to do, only that we need to remember the earth or the mud taken out from the well is spread evenly around all around the well, and then width of the embankment is 4. So, outer radius will become 4 plus 1.5, that is 5.5. Then volume of embankment, outer volume of this circular ring, we can say outer volume of circular ring minus inner volume of circular ring is equal to the volume of mud taken out. Hope you have understood. Please like these videos, share and subscribe also, and then once again I want to tell you, please give comment so that whatever is your doubt, you can put it in comment, and then I will refer that. I go through each and every comment whatever you are giving, and according to your need also I will be making video. I hope this all will be helpful to you. See you in next video.